In a recent interview, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang shared a powerful mindset, one that every aspiring leader in tech should hear. He said, "I dedicate myself to being a good student." Think about that. One of the most influential figures in technology still sees himself as a learner. We're living in an era where industries evolve at light speed, from self-driving cars to climate science to digital biology. And to build something meaningful, something that takes years, on top of technology that changes every few months, takes more than knowledge. It takes intuition. Intuition to sense which innovations truly matter. Intuition to understand where the industry is heading before the rest of the world sees it. And how do you get there? You stay curious. You surround yourself with brilliant people. You listen. You learn. You question everything. You become a student of the future. Because in tech, as Jensen puts it, strategy isn't what you say, it's what you do. Stay humble. Stay hungry. Keep learning. That's how you lead.